In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change your title in Sakura stand. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. There are various different titles that you can acquire in Sakura stand. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about some of them and how to go about switching it. So, if you click on this little crown icon, you will be able to find plenty of titles available in Sakura stand. So, in this window, you have above all, Big Boss, Shielded Warrior, Soul Eater, 11th Hour, The Dawn, Defender, Sacrificer, and Finality. And as you can clearly tell, each of these titles will have different effects attributed to them. So for example, 3% damage buff, 4% damage buff, and so on. And all that you have to do to claim these titles is to upgrade your mastery. So if you look at the top left corner of the screen, you have this little icon with your level. You can get this level up to 50. And when you reach level 50, you will be granted one mastery. So you can get XP by doing stuff like walking around the world, interacting with these boxes, and interacting with other players. Once you reach level 50, you will be able to open that same menu that I showed you previously, and in here choose the Upgrade Mastery option. By choosing Upgrade Mastery, you will then be granted one mastery point, and as you might expect, you can spend that point to claim any of the titles or even the specs available in there. So to keep it simple, all that you have to do is reach level 50 once, then claim the mastery, and once you do claim the mastery, you will be able to claim any of the titles available. So just make sure that you choose any of the titles available in that menu, and you will be granted it. Everyone will see it on your character, and you will be able to use it around the world. So to level up, like I mentioned, the easiest, simplest way is just going to be by opening these boxes around the world, but this can take a while. So if you don't want to spend too much time doing this, you can research other ways to get XP that might be quicker and more optimized. You can sell the loot that you don't want to keep, like this, so you will be able to at least get some money out of opening these boxes. I hope I was able to help you on how to change your title in Sakura stand. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.